has been a test of NOAA radio phones and some alert systems. This test is conducted each Wednesday at 11 a.m. Specially programmed receivers are loaded for specific watches, warnings, and advisories. In the event of severe expected on Wednesday, or there is inclement weather, the test is postponed to the next fair weather day. This concludes this test of the NOAA weather radio and same alert systems. This is a test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm device for West-West F48 and West XM82. We activate this alarm for the following counties: Berkshire, Franklin, Hampton, and Hampshire counties in Massachusetts, Bennington and Windham counties in Vermont, and Columbia and Rensselaer counties in New York. This has been an alarm test. Synopsis.